Hey guys, welcome back to Wisconsin Boars Beef and Baling. Today I got my semi loaded. It's hay auction day, so we're taking this to the hay auction first, and then we're gonna get another load and then start baling hopefully. So as long as I got your attention, subscribe, like, comment, whatever, I'd appreciate it. Stay tuned, follow along. So usually every morning, go through, check everything over on the truck. That looks alright. I know I do have a little bit of an oil leak, I think. But anyways, this is a 91 International 9400. Bought this pretty cheap. That looks alright. I have a little nickname for this truck. That is Frankenstein. So the truck, there's a lot of different parts here. You got the truck, the engine out of a different truck. All the tires are stolen off a different truck. I'm sure the batteries are off a different truck. And I guarantee there's a ton of other parts that are off different trucks. So I just kind of gave her the name Frankenstein, and I know Frankenstein isn't actually the monster, but you get the gist. So I checked the oil, checked the coolant. I'm going to start it up, let it air up. I'm going to check all the tires, make sure there's no air leaks out back or anything that doesn't sound or look right. We'll let that cycle. So it looks like I got one air tank that holds air pretty good, and the other one just there's a leak somewhere in the line. That's not good. Oh. I'm gonna check the battery connection, and we'll try that again. Alright guys, we got it run. There was a couple loose cables on the battery. It's happened before. I don't know, must just rattle loose or whatever, but that's all it was. I had to tighten up the battery cables a little bit, and she fired right off. Lots of power. So a little bit of delay that I didn't want, but it is what it is. So we're at the hay auction. They're unloading me right now. Just got off the phone. My day got a hell of a lot busier. I got 3 smaller jobs and then like 30 acres for another guy. So we're gonna take off. I'm gonna run out, load this up once more, get that other baler going for Dad so he can bale that other stuff. Then I'm going to run home, start working on the 2015 baler so I can head out and start baling. Start praying everything works. Well, he's got like 55 acres. He said about 30 of it would go today. And I'm okay with that because then I won't have anything to do tomorrow. I can be in this thing all day tomorrow. So we can get most of them bales picked up, hopefully. And then he said maybe the rest for Sunday. Minutes here, they'll have me offloaded. I'm all set to go. As soon as I'm empty, I'm going to take off. I got a bit of, I got to stop and get fuel. I can't forget to do that. And then we'll be ready to roll. So. Now I gotta find the field. Oh, there it is, way over there. I got another customer with you gotta drive through the buildings and then there's a lane that goes way back. This hayfield was all the way down the lane, all the way to the next road. I got about halfway down the lane and I thought, boy, I hope it's back here. He never actually said where it was. I just kind of always assume that it's back on the lane somewhere. We got to drive down this lane, and then we got to drive over through a couple pastures, and then we get over there. It's a really nice farm here.
IBAFM. Sly's got the day off because all he would have had was a big 1 hour extravaganza today from 3 until 4. We'll enjoy the Badger Sports Network for Badger football as they kick off the season in Tampa against the South Florida Bulls. So hey, you're stuck with me.
Drink, have a burger, have a wiener, and have another block from one of your favorite classic rockers.
On the road again. We're working on the next place. It's about 20 acres or so. They're out here, they're gonna little square a bunch. I think they're almost done. But we'll keep pounding. We've actually got some really nice beans, really tall beans next to us. I don't know if they're his or could be a different guy, but so I brought the semi home, jumped on the baler. We had to hook a few more things up, dumped some def in. I think we're okay. I got 10 acres at this first place. I want to say about 12 to 15 at the next place, and about 30, 35. And then I got to swing back through. There's 2 smaller fields and on my way home. Hopefully I can get that all done before the dew sets in. I didn't get a lot of footage of loading the truck, because once he gets one stack done, I start strapping down, and today the wind wasn't cooperating with me. I got to throw him over a certain way, and the wind was blowing the other way, so I got to crawl on top and lay him across and then jump down, strap him down. Next pile I got to do the same thing. So Dad's gonna bail that. As far as I know, it's still going good. So we'll keep chugging along here, keep you guys updated. Field number 3 is about 30, 35 acres, I think. Stuff is dry-ish. Keep an eye on that. But I'm happy that this is happening right now. It's gonna open up tomorrow. I haven't heard anything from Dad. I'm assuming he's got that if not done, almost done. So yeah, if you got that done, we'll be hauling tomorrow. Holy buckets. This field kind of comes to a marsh, so you can only cut so far, and then there I'm kind of driving across the field. This looks a little sketchy. Woo! We made it. My head all bunched up. Come on. Alright, let's fly. So yeah, it's been a long day. It's, I want to say, about 4:30 or so. This is the time of day you start rummaging through the cooler. Oh. Happened to save one for this occasion. Call it a celebration, if you will. These are the days when it's run, and you just keep going. But it all worked out. It actually, I wasn't worried this morning. Some mornings, it's all you do is think about getting this done, getting that done, and this morning I'm like, oh, I got plenty of time for all that, which I do. We're making pretty good time. But, oh, man. So, well, I suppose I'll end this video. I don't know how much footage I got, if I can piece it together. Like I said before, subscribe if you kind of like what you're watching. It'll get better. I believe my camera has arrived. I haven't seen it yet. So hopefully we can get some better shots than just my cell phone. I think the camera I'm getting came with like 7 different mounts or whatever, so I mean we can stick it on anywhere, I think. Drone is ordered. Just kidding, guys. No drone. I don't know if some of my customers would appreciate me flying a drone. If I was at home, I probably could. Don't have my pilot's license though. I'll talk to my brother on that one. I know he talked about getting one at one point. Maybe we'll go halves on it. Problem is, neither of us have ever driven or flown one, so probably end up in the cornfield and they never find it again. But alright, thanks for watching. Questions, throw them in the comments. Hope you have a great rest of your day, whether it's morning, night, evening, whatever. Have a great time. I appreciate you watching. Probably said that already. But I just really appreciate anybody that's taking time to watch. I know it's sometimes a little bit hard to watch. But we'll see you next time.